Hello and welcome a new lesson with Pro Web Solution by TAHA. In that lesson we will talk about how we could install XAMPP on Ubuntu Linux system. First of all, we need to download XAMPP from internet. We will go for Google, then we will type XAMPP, go for download. We will search for XAMPP for Linux. We will see it in that partition after Windows partition. We will install the last version of XAMPP holding the last version of PHP 7.4.2 for the 64-bit. Noticed for you, dear viewers, I installed that version before. I downloaded before. When we push the bottom of download, he will start asking for the which folder we will install it, and I install that file in download. Here you can find it. We in desktop, we will go for home, download. That's the file I downloaded from the internet for XAMPP. The size of the file here is 151 megabytes. Okay, how we could run it? That's a fair question. We will go first for the console, and then we will go to the folder we just downloaded the XAMPP file. We will type cd down D capital down low and slash. We will type ls. Here we will see the file. We just check for that file permission. This is a very important thing. How we check that? ls hyphen al. Okay, we see here the file XAMPP Linux 64-bit. The permission file here, it's write, but not have execute like X. Do you see it? Okay, how we put that permission? It's simple as that. We will go for sudo, then chmd and plus x and the name of the file. Copy and paste. That's it. Okay, he will ask for the password. I made a mistake. I think the X is capital, not small. I made a mistake. Oh, sorry. X is small, CH is chmo, and then good. We will recheck for the permission ls al, and we just see the execute file. Then we will go to the download, my computer, download, and then we will run it. Double click. Welcome. There has been an error. The install required root. Okay. We will go to console again and go to for sudo and the file name sudo slash. Okay, he will run it. He will start running. Good. Okay. Okay, dear viewers, the last time I go to the folder and double click on the file, he will not run because he needs a permission of sudo. Then I go back to console and type sudo dot slash the name of the file. Next. Okay, next. He will install XAMPP in obt/lamp. Next. We will leave the configuration. Next. Show now is ready. Okay. Next. He just installed. We will wait for install XAMPP. Please subscribe for my channel, and please give me a like if this video helping you, and comment. Thank you very much. XAMPP is just installing. I wish this video helping you, and I wish if you have any problem, just leave it in the comment below. Until this time we didn't see any error. XAMPP is installing just fine. He will take time at your computer hardware speed. Depending on your computer hardware speed, I will not make any pause for the video. I just want to do that live, so if any error could show, you will notice. He just continued to installing, just a little bit time. And I will remembering you, dear viewers, please subscribe in the channel and push the button of notification if you wish to get notification for any new videos I will launch it. Okay, dear viewers, the download of XAMPP is finished. We will leave the mark on launch exam XAMPP, okay, and go for finish. He will start. Welcome and welcome and welcome XAMPP. XAMPP is ready. That's the launcher of XAMPP. We go to manage servers. We will see the Apache web server is running. We need to but the MySQL database is not running. We just tap and start. He will starting, and we will go for the localhost, and then welcome. XAMPP is running on Ubuntu server. Very perfect. And we will go for configuration, open log. We will check for the MySQL database, PHP my admin. Okay, and PHP my admin is running perfectly. Thank you for viewing my video and watching my video. Thank you a lot. Please subscribe and like and comment and push the button of notification. Thank you and welcome again. Goodbye.